Hi and welcome to our McLaren MP4-12C 2011 vehicle. Early car, chassis number 06. Special car this, to be fair. Finished in volcano red metallic. So as you'll see how much this colour does pop. It is beautiful. More of a candy red. It does benefit from full front PPF. So the front bumper, the bonnet, the wings and the A-pillars on this car. So they're like a track pack protection, as they like to call it. I think it sits uber well with the silver wheels rather than a lot of people done them in black, so it keeps it very traditional. It's just a special car. Say chassis number 06. It also has benefited from full McLaren service history, and it has had all the power upgrades and software updates by McLaren. So this car now is running 625 brake horsepower. So have a look in there. It is uber fresh, uber clean, leather and Alcantara seats, red stitching as well. Just a beautiful, honest, early McLaren 12C with full service history. I think it sits really right now, priced very keenly to sell. So do have a look on our website, have a look on Auto Trader, have a look at Scott Hardy Automotive and give us a call. Thank you.